In this video we will see about the problem solved in the based on Newton's law. Okay, now you must have studied about Newton's first law, second law, third law and all that. We are not going to theoretical part of it, which you must have known. Now we are just going to solve the problems based on this, simple problems based on this. Then we will slightly go to complicated problems. A force of unknown magnitude acts on a body of mass 150 kg and produces an acceleration of 3 meters per second in the direction of force. Find the force. So consider a body, okay, which is 150 kg. A force acts on this, okay, and it moves, okay, a force acts on it. Now what is that we have to find out? We have to find the force applied on this object. F is equal to ma. M is the 150 kg. Acceleration is 3 meters per second. F is equal to 450 kg meter per second. Kg, which can be written as F is equal to 450 Newton. A force of 200 Newton acts on a body having a mass of 8 kg for 20 seconds. If the initial velocity of the body or object is 10 meters per second, determine the acceleration produced in the direction of force, distance moved by the body in 20 seconds. We have a body or object which is 8 kg weight. A force of 200 Newton acts on it. Now in the previous example, we had to find the force acting on the object. But here the force acting on the object is given, okay. Not only that, it acts for 20 seconds on this object, okay. If that is the case, what they are asking is, if that is the case, what is the acceleration produced? So F is equal to what is the acceleration produced and the distance moved, okay. Now the first question, F is equal to ma. We have to find the a force acted as 200 Newton. That is then m is equal to 8, mass is equal to 8, acceleration we get 25 meters per second square. Now next we have what is the distance moved when the force of 200 Newton acts on this for 20 seconds. What is the distance moved? S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is the initial velocity of the object, t is the time, 20 seconds. The force acts for 20 seconds. Then a is the acceleration which we get from here, okay. Then we have t, 20 seconds, okay. The force acts for 20 seconds. Then finally we get 5200 meter. So S is equal to 5200 meter. What this means is, when a force of 200 Newton acts on a body of 8 kg for 20 seconds, this object moves for 5200 meter, okay.